What's up, guys? I'm here with one of my students, Jan. Jan, you want to introduce yourself real quick?
Hey guys, I'm Jan.
So today I'm going to be holding your hand through the entire process and Jan to actually source and find these people that you're trying to reach out to. So that way you guys can find your first gold mines of an offer, because a lot of people in the remote sales space, they're looking for offers and they somehow land B2B roles. And I mean, those still will be able to provide you money if it is a pretty good offer, but usually it's pretty much bullshit. So B2C is where it's at. So that's where we are going to be focusing on today, focusing on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and just sourcing everything out. And I have everything right here. We kind of blacked out all this because this is for Jan and my students, but I'll give you guys a few examples so that way you know exactly how to do it. And so that way you can find your first offer for yourself. So let's go ahead and hop straight into it. So you guys can still hear me okay, and now we're gonna find their name, what niche they're in, their email, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn, and then just organize everything right here. So first off, go ahead and start looking in a niche. So should we go for like day trading first, or?
Anything. Just set yourself in the mind of a potential buyer of that business. So if you were looking to make money online, search for things like day trading, crypto, SMMA, whatever. Just you want to be selling for people who have a personal brand, because the leads are warm and they come from YouTube and have been nurtured over hours and hours of watching the content. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Go on YouTube, search for day trading, crypto, and just find people, find accounts, open them up, and check their links if they have a high ticket program or not.
Yeah, exactly. And then once you find out they have a high ticket program, you're already on the right track. And then you need to position yourself in that cash flow from the audience on YouTube and the influencer themselves. And you have to sell yourself. This is your first test in remote sales. You have to sell yourself to the influencer, to the closers, to the senders, the CSOs, whoever you can get in contact with. That's going to be your first test in remote sales. So yeah, we're looking at crypto right now, trying to find some coach. Let's see, 585K subscribers. So let's see.
So you want to get started investing, you have a bit of money saved up.
All right, let's see if this guy has a high ticket offer. So Twitter, Instagram, newsletter, media. All right, so this guy doesn't, let's look in his bio. Sometimes it's in the description of the video. Bit by bit. Courses. I don't see any coaching or mentorships at the moment. So this guy, I'm not really sure if he does have an offer, it has too much friction. So let's see about Crypto R Us. This guy looks promising. Patreon. Wow. He probably has no idea what a high ticket offer is. All right, let's look up crypto. As you guys can see, it's not as easy as it looks. So you have to be very wary and cautious and make sure that they even have a high ticket offer, because you don't want to be reaching out to someone who doesn't even have a high ticket offer, and then you're gonna be wasting your time, the influencer's time, because I mean he doesn't even have a high ticket offer. So you want to make sure that you're like 99% sure they have a high ticket offer. Oh, here we go. A nice landing page. Let's make sure he has the high ticket program. All right, so this guy, he only has a low ticket offer, $54 a month, but he could have something else. Maybe not. So let's leave it at that. All right, this one's a fire landing page. All right, so you have to position yourself, like Jan said, as the prospect and go through the entire process until you're at the point where you're right about to book a call, just to make sure.
The good thing is you don't even have to find YouTube accounts with hundreds of thousands of subscribers. Most of the cases, around 20 to 50,000 subscribers can already book out a full calendar.
Yeah, it's not about the quantity of leads that they have, it's about the quantity. So if they're, I think I went too deep in the funnel.
So let me guess.
There we go. So now we're at the point where we're booking a call. So we know this guy's a high ticket offer. So now we're just going to put in his YouTube and organize everything perfectly. So his name is, not sure yet, but we know his YouTube. Put that there. And then from here, go to his Instagram, Anthony Alvarego. So yeah, when you're making the personalized video, whenever you're messaging this guy, you want to say his name, not his full name. That'd be a little bit strange, but just sell yourself like you're his friend, and don't try too hard. Like the more genuine you are, the higher the chance you have of actually landing it. So let's see, Anthony. So now we have his name, his niche is forex trading email. So we can go to his YouTube, click this bad boy right here.
Just found hot milk.
That's a nice lead.
It's like over 40. Sheesh.
Imagine her at 20.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so if it's not loading, just reload the page. It's not that
Got sidetracked.
You're like too deep in the funnel. All right, so there's his email. Copy and paste this there. Facebook. Just literally do this, copy. Get as much contact info as you can. That way you see what this guy looks like. So it looks, all right, so this, I mean, if you guys, I mean, it looks pretty much like the same guy. It's got to be the same guy. So bam. So we found pretty much everything with this guy. So this is a nice sourcing. So we got literally every piece of information filled out. So now just move on to the next one. Let's go back. And just do that entire process again. But I mean, guys, that's pretty much everything you really need to know. I just walked you through one of the examples, but I mean, I'll walk you through one more real quick. Hopefully we can find another one a lot quicker. This guy has made a little bit of friction has been added here. I haven't copy and pasted myself, but seems to have a fire landing page. And let's just make sure it's not like a low ticket thing. Well, that did not seem to work. It was Instagram. All right, so this guy does not seem to have very frictionless high ticket offer, so we're gonna keep moving on. All right, so let's see here. That guy was straight up. All right, so this guy seems to have a fire landing page. No racism, but he's Asian, so that means he's really smart. So we're gonna see if this guy's a high ticket offer.
It's a compliment, bro.
Yeah, it's a compliment.
Racism doesn't count on compliments.
Yeah. All right, so let's see. Guys, I'm getting a 90% discount code, so let's just see what happens. Make sure it's not low ticket.
Congratulations for taking out the fight.
Basically, it looks like it's just a low ticket offer. Just a landing page, and that's it. Wait, I think it's only Filipino. How much even is this? I think it's actually stupid cheap. Pesos. Let's see. It's only $85. All right, guys. So it's not really high ticket, so we're gonna move on to the next one. Actually, I'll show you guys the first offer that actually made me money. So that way you guys can reach out to him if you want. He might have some openings, I'm not sure. Then we can go to his Instagram. What's his name? Josiah. Email, Facebook. Let's just look up his name. Actually, let's look up. All right, so you want to be making sure that this isn't like a scam, because with a lot of day trading coaches, they have a lot of fake accounts, but I mean, this one seems pretty legit. So that's LinkedIn. All right, so it looks like he doesn't have a LinkedIn, but I mean, we found pretty much everything else we need. So yeah, there you guys go. There's 2 leads you guys can have. You can outreach to them, but everything else you gotta kind of go on a solo journey to find it for yourself. But I mean, you know the entire process. You have all the education. Now you just need the implementation, because the thing is, with reality, the world we're living in now, we don't have an education problem. All the education is out there on the internet. But the main problem is we have an implementation problem. So implement what you've learned today, find your first offer, so that way you can come live out with us in Thailand with me and Jan and travel the world. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.